Cap 26 here, just tips and fishing hobbies, and we're going to do AI scanner in Bambu Studio, and I have to take a few pictures here, and you'll see those in a minute. Got a below view right here. We've got a front view, and we've got a top view, okay? And we're going to put that in AI scanner. So we have to go to Bambu Studio, open that up, and we have to go to to cancel that out. We have to go to not Eyeline Mottos, Maker Lab. Let's go to Maker Lab, and let's go to down here, AI scanner. Try it here. We're gonna open that up, and go start, and welcome to scanner. The target object's rotating support. The background lacks sufficient texture information. The background is not stationary. The target object is moving. Okay, so let's give this a try. Those are the things we got to do. So we have to drag in, make sure, upload video. I was assuming we're taking pictures, not video. Make sure the first of frame of the video contains the target objects. Okay, we have to take video, not pictures. Sorry about that, guys. So let's take video here, and we're going to go back to AI. Open that up. Move it over. Let's drop the video on here. General mode. Okay, we have to grab the video from in here file. So hang on. Here we go. Okay, so we dropped it in there, and there's the video. We go to the next step. Loading. It's loading it. Sorry, guys. This looks like it's missing an arm. I don't know why it's missing one arm. And the eyes isn't that good. So this is what the AI is perceiving it did. If the object shown below is not shown, one of the reconstructions, please click and add remove or reset button to make mask yourself. Let's see, add mask. I don't know why it's not showing. So we're just trying this, guys and girls. Sorry about that. Okay, so let's create model and see what we get. Oh my goodness. This is going to take 2.7 hours to create. So, I'm going to be back with this video. So, it's still thinking about it. So, I don't know, guys. I wouldn't try this unless you really have time with your computer. Bye for now.